I hope that you enjoyed that little insight into creating a mixed media artwork with Powertex Art Supplies. So if you would like to learn more information about how to create these stunning layers, then I have a fantastic Mixed Media Triptych workshop that you might like to take a look at. It goes through everything from start to finish with lots of detail, tips and tricks, and it is just jam-packed full of arty things for you to explore. So if you'd like to join me for that, go to Ashley Hay Art Academy online and check it out now.